In the competitive world of content creation, one brand has been quietly sharpening its blades. For years, Sony and Canon have fought for the vlogger's pocket, but as we enter 2026, the silence from Nikon has finally been broken. The original Z30 was a solid entry, but it lacked the killer instinct needed to dominate the American creator market. That changes today. This is the Nikon Z30 II, a camera that isn't just an update, it's a takeover. If you're a YouTuber, a TikToker, or a filmmaker looking for that cinema look without the $10,000 price tag, you need to stop what you're doing and listen. The leaks coming out of Japan describe a machine that borrows the brain of a flagship and the soul of a movie camera. This is the Nikon Z30 II, and it's about to make the Sony ZV-E10 II look like a toy from the past. The heart of the beast, the partially stacked sensor. The biggest headline for the Z30 II is the rumored move to a 26-megapixel partially stacked APS-C sensor. Now, why does partially stacked matter to you? In the past, cheaper cameras had rolling shutter, that annoying jello effect where your footage wobbles when you move. By using a partially stacked design, Nikon is essentially giving this budget-friendly body the readout speed of a high-end sports camera. For creators in the US, where high-energy, fast-paced vlogging is the standard, this means your footage will stay rock solid. Whether you're running through the streets of New York or filming a high-speed car review in LA, the Z30 II will capture motion with a fluidity that was previously impossible in this price bracket. We are looking at 4K video at a blistering 120 frames per second. Imagine shooting buttery smooth slow motion in full 4K resolution on a camera that fits in your jacket pocket. The red DNA, Hollywood color in your hands. But here is the real secret weapon. Since Nikon acquired Red Digital Cinema, everyone has been waiting to see when that Hollywood magic would trickle down to the consumer level. The Z30 II is reportedly the first entry-level camera to feature red-inspired color science. In the American creator economy, the look is everything. We are tired of the sterile digital look of modern sensors. The Z30 II is rumored to include a CinemaLog profile developed in collaboration with Red engineers. This means that right out of the box, your skin tones will look more natural, your highlights will roll off like film, and your videos will have a depth that usually requires hours of professional grading. You aren't just buying a vlogging camera, you're buying a mini cinema rig. The XP7 Revolution, Z9 power in a Z30 body. Under the hood, the Z30 II is getting a massive brain transplant. It is moving from the old processing tech to the XP7 engine. The same processor found in the $5,000 Nikon Z9 flagship. What does this mean for the average user? It means the autofocus is now unstickable. The Z30 II features the same 3D tracking and subject detection algorithms as Nikon's top-tier professional bodies. It can recognize humans, animals, birds, and even vehicles with terrifying accuracy. If you're a solo creator, you know the pain of filming an entire segment only to realize the camera was focused on the wall behind you. With the Z30 II, those days are over. The eye detection is so fast that even if you're wearing sunglasses or a mask, the camera stays locked on your soul. The connectivity king, 5G and pro streaming. In 2026, waiting to upload is a thing of the past.